Today we're gonna surprise a raffle winner in New Jersey. And the person that helped me out, Lisa, thank you so much, with Bite Me Baking. She cooked this up and we're gonna go surprise them at their house.
Be sure to log into your YouTube account, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.
Here we go. All right, let's do this. The winner's home. Hi, Melissa.
What is that?
Come here, come here.
What the heck is
Come
that?
here, come here, come here, come here, come here. So I'm with the Porsche Club. You know how Eric buys raffle tickets?
Yes.
Y'all want a car? Don't say anything yet. Wait till it comes out though. Yeah.
Can I say that on camera? Are you kidding?
Yeah.
You're not. You're kidding.
Look, I even had Lisa make a cake for you.
That was the surprise.
We're gonna wait for Eric to come out.
I know.
I love it when a plan comes together. So right now Lisa is talking to Melissa, the wife, and talking about how I called her and thought this was a scam. They do have a German Shepherd, so hopefully, not with the German Shepherd, right?
No.
I might have to feed the German Shepherd the cake.
This is a great play date.
Play date, yeah. We set up a play date.
Surprise, Eric! No! Yes! Congratulations! You won the second grand prize for the PCA raffle.
Oh my God.
It's just another Wednesday at your household, apparently.
I've watched the videos. I swear, I'm like, I could only
And thank
feel
you
like, that
to
would
this,
never happen.
to this young lady, Lisa. She's my co-conspirator
Oh my God.
to make this happen. And moms, of course, set up the doggy daycare date.
Let me get your
Congratulations, brother. Give it.
Oh my God.
All right, I want to.
No friggin' idea. I was looking for Lucia. I'm like, where the hell's
I
Lucia?
want to pass you the kid. Look at that. Look at that.
Holy shit.
This is just
Let me
nuts.
get
Just
your
a random
picture.
Wednesday.
Melissa, go over
Yeah,
there,
right?
and hold the sign. Let me get your picture. Melissa, look.
You bought 2 tickets?
Your car's nice.
Probably.
Two tickets, two
yeah,
tickets.
I think
Wow.
so. Yep.
So 2 tickets. If you ever wondered whether or not he makes
many?
good
Yeah,
investments,
for the
2
tickets.
tickets.
2 tickets. I have no idea. I know he always does this
We
stuff.
won't. We don't.
Listen,
we
no,
don't
you
need
don't
that.
understand
Yeah.
him with his Porsche.
Oh,
okay?
I
Him
hear
with
there's
his
some
Porsches,
cars to look at in the garage.
He's always doing research. That's
Well,
what he's always doing.
he's ahead of the game now because he just won a car. Never doubt him.
Yes.
So you won
Well,
a
this
second
is
grand
my
prize,
new one.
and I'll give you all the details of it.
Okay.
And if you want the car, you can take the car as we spec'd it, or there's also a cash alternative as well, and we can go through that in a second. But just enjoy. As Nathan mentioned earlier, we've got some raffle prizes, but we want to introduce you to a few people. But before we do that, again, I want to thank Nathan and Susie. Thank you so much, guys. Round of applause for hosting all of us. As Jesse, who I'll introduce a little bit later, said, the vibe we have here is incredible. How many of you are here for the cruise? Wow.
If you've ever been a line cook at a Denny's, you're gonna win this award. Oh my God, we got somebody, okay. What? Oh my gosh. Come on up. Now you gotta cut the towel in half, it only owns 2.5 pounds.
Humble beginning.
Oh my gosh.
All right, so you are a line cook, what year?
76 to 78.
76, 78? 1990. So I'm going to give it to the longevity, if you don't mind. But so it's very difficult when you're a line cook to get something special. And a lot of times people just give you complaints. So for this line cook here, if you don't mind, if everybody would put their hands together, because this line cook is one of the most recent PCA member spring raffle winners. Congratulations, Steve! Oh, it's upside down, my bad. So you and I were just talking about how you play the raffle. You're shocked.
Yeah. I was telling you earlier, I got a hug or a picture with Boo, and I said, "We can go home now, honey. I got what I wanted." So.
Oh, so you don't need the car. I can give it. So congratulations, you are one of our second prize winners, and I want to thank Tom. Joyce, Tom, where are you? He brought you a Macan, and I know you have a Macan, so we can spec a different one out. So thank you so much, and Porsche Bellevue, for coming and joining us and bringing the car. But you won the second grand prize. Now, it was difficult. We got that car here because the car you won hasn't even fully arrived in the U.S. You've won the 2024 Macan 4 Electric, and that's going to be here in a couple of months. You'll be able to spec it out. Oh, and by the way, we're also going to give you $25,000 towards the winnings on that car. Why don't you come up as well? Now, the funny part is, we were talking about how difficult it is to surprise a winner. Just on Wednesday, I was telling them we surprised a winner in New Jersey, and I went on Facebook and stalked them, and it all worked out. But here, this one was actually quite easy because Susie and you go back how far? Fifth grade. So between them hosting this event, them knowing each other, this is one of the easiest raffle reveals that we've done today. But hopefully it's just as special to you. Again, round of applause to our raffle winner. Congratulations.